Well, let's talk about software testing. And software testing is many types, but there are three basic types, which are end-to-end testing, integration testing, and unit testing. So we talked about modules, that there are different modules to a software development project. And so a unit testing is when you write a piece of code, for example, a function, and you test that on yourself. You test the function on your own. The developer does that, and that's unit testing. Now, integration testing is when all the modules are combined together, and then when they're integrated, we do the integration testing. And end-to-end testing is the testing of the complete system. Now, unit testing will be the one that you'll be doing the most, and it is done by the developer mostly, or there are people who do that in an organization, or if you're doing yourself. Now, test cases are written for that purpose. For example, a test case is a piece of program that just, if I have a function that does like division, then it's going to test whether you did that division well or not. If a function that takes the scare, that test case function is just going to test whether you have to describe the test case first, and then you test it, and it does on specific value. It tests on specific values which are on the edge, that whether you're actually satisfying the requirement of the function or not. So that's what a test case is, and you'll be writing test cases mostly yourself, and that's all about software testing here in this course. So I'll see you in the next one.